You will need a pair of hand carders and some fibre. We're using Spanish merino and some hand dyed Derbyshire gritstone. If you're using fleece rather than tops, you may find it easier to split it up into locks. Just pull them out gently and try and get them all facing the same way. When you look at your lock, the butt end is where it's been sheared, you can see it's been cut, and the tip is the other end. Take one of your carders and hold it like a violin. This is going to be your base, and you'll be carding with your other hand. Left-handers may prefer to hold it in their right hand. Now it's time to load your carder. Take the locks and with the butt end near to the handle, start loading them onto the carding cloth gently. Make sure they're all facing the same way. You can mix as many different types of fibres as you like on this, just make sure not to overload the carder. It's better to have a small rolag than be struggling with a thick wodge of fibre. Leave a bit at either side of the carder clear. Now you're ready to create your rolag. Start by brushing the fibres gently, all in the same direction. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want the spikes interlocking together. Imagine you're brushing a baby's hair. Once you've transferred all the fibre from the base paddle to your other paddle, switch your hands around. And start again. Start from the bottom of the locks if possible and work your way gradually up the carder. You'll find it easier. Once you've carded your fleece, turn the paddle around so the handle is facing away from you and simply roll the fibre up off the carder. Once you've filled your drum carder, again try not to overfill it. Split the fibre as you would normally and trap the ends between two pieces of doweling and gently roll off. If you can break your drum carder for this, you'll find it easier. Once you've taken a small amount off the wheel, just gently roll on a surface to create a perfect cylinder. Now all you need to do is gently slide the doweling rods out from the fleece and you have a rolag.